What's up, guys? I wasn't going to make a video today, but there's some interesting patterns forming in the crypto market, so I wanted to bring you guys an update. So here on Bitcoin, we have a buy on the TradingView technical indicator, and here on the Ichimoku cloud, we have a few alerts going on. So there are several alerts using this system. One, when the conversion line, this blue line, breaks above the baseline, the red line, that is an alert. When the price breaks above either the conversion or the baseline, that is an alert. The larger trend alerts are these twists, and when you have the price breaking above or below the cloud, those are some major alerts that something is going on. And these are more confirmation alerts. This is the beginning of the move when you see this price breaking above the conversion and baseline, and when you have the conversion line breaking above the baseline. So that's a little bit how this works. So essentially what this is telling me is it does appear that Bitcoin could be forming a medium to longer term trend. If you look at how this worked before, you can see previously all of these alerts came around a little over 10,000. This price channel kept going above the cloud until right here at the top where you got this twist where the price came down. You got a twist again here where the price began to go up. You had a little bit of a false alarm here, but the price never broke down below the cloud here. So you were still in this trade. Came up, and again, when there was a twist, you could have again sold right there near the top. Came down, and here we're getting potentially a twist in the next couple of days, and this price looks like it's just about to break above the cloud. So again, as long as there's no market events or geopolitical events, that type of thing that can always shake crypto and all the different markets, this trend does look pretty good at the moment. For Monero, Monero came down, broke down below this support here around 180, had a nice basing pattern, came back up, and again is basically retested this 165 level. After that retest, started coming back up. As you can see on the MACD here, the momentum is slowing a bit, but basically the level I'm looking at here is this level between 185 and 187. Again, this cloud, it's a little messy here. There's no clear pattern here, but as far as just price action, I'm looking at that 185, 187 level. And if it breaks above that, we're looking pretty good, but there is some pretty solid resistance. You can see that line, it just kept trying to get above, but it didn't get above about 187. So watch that level there. Pirate Chain is forming a pennant pattern. Look at the volume coming in here. This is well above the historic volume, although the previous time this volume came, that did fail, but we're breaking out above a trend line here. And we've actually already formed a twist in Pirate Chain. We've got a buy, and we're forming this pennant pattern. So basically you have this move up, and then you have price chopping around trying to find a direction. If you look at what is normally the case, oftentimes with these pennant patterns, you have the flagpole, you'll break down, chop around in this triangle pattern, and eventually continue that pattern upwards. That can fail. It is possible that this can fail. But again, in general, when you see this pattern, that is what you expect as the most likely scenario. And again, that depends on geopolitical events, all the news, all the things that makes people make irrational short-term decisions. So you've got that pattern going on, and we're here already very quickly coming to this point where a decision will be made one way or the other. So again, we have a twist, Generally, this breaks up, but it does not have to. So I think in the next couple of days, we will know if this is going to continue higher. Probably the next real resistance, the first target would be around $1.75 here, based on previous price action. So pretty interesting. Again, just a short video. Just wanted to update you guys on what I'm seeing in these markets. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys are buying. Thank you everyone for watching. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.